Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and this amazing video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can create amazing t-shirt designs yourself for your new t-shirts. Okay, so those who are new to my channel, I recommend them subscribe to my channel, share these videos with your friends and family, and leave us in comment if you have a topic that you are worried about. Okay, I will try my best to make videos for that. Okay, so now let's start. First of all, you need to open Google. So I just opened it up, and now we will be making these designs in canva.com. So type in here canva.com. I just opened it up. Okay, so now you can see there is an option templates. You can go there in personal and t-shirt design. Okay, you can also type in here if you want. So let me just open it up from here. Here is the option of t-shirt. So I just opened it up and this is just opening up. Okay, so now you can see there are many templates available right now that you can change according to your needs, that you can use for your t-shirts. Okay, so whatever type of t-shirt you want to make, you can make here. Okay, so let me just tell you one more thing, and that is that some templates are free and some are paid. So here is the difference. So when I hover over my mouse onto this template, here comes free, but when I hover over to this one, there comes paid. So I recommend you going with the free ones, because there you don't need to pay them a lot. Okay, so these are free ones, no need to pay them. This is also free, this one also. This one you can use if you want to add some pictures of yourself and your friends and family and other things. Okay, so let's just go with something, and let me teach you how you can customize it. Okay, so now one thing more, that you can also create a black t-shirt. Select this option from here and you can create according to your need. You can create it. Okay, you can create it whole according to your need. You can draw, type in things, anything. Okay, so now just let me go with this template right now. So I just opened it, and now here comes an option, use this template. Click onto this and it's just opening up. Okay, so it's just open up here. So now you need to understand that you can change anything onto this one. Okay, you can also change the background color, this written text, this design, you can stretch it and do anything. Okay, you can customize this according to your need, however you want. Okay, so you can also add some widgets and things into this if you want. You can search here in the search box here and add it here. Okay, so let me just show you one sample, and let me just show you how to edit it. Okay, so I clicked on the backdrop, and now you can see there is option of background colors. I can change background colors here. So let me just add a very light color, something like, okay, this is also very sharp. So what to add? Let me just think. Okay, so let's add this one. I added this, and now let's change this one. Now it's not visible. Okay, so let's change its color to some bright ones. Let me just try this. Okay, so this looks nice. Okay, so you saw how I did it. You can also crop it, and this is also transparency. You can change its transparency if you want. You can see what transparency is. Transparency is basically how much visible it is. You can decrease it. 100% visible is that it's completely visible, so keep it at 100. I recommend. If you have some design to make its opacity lower, so you can change here. This is called transparency, and opacity as well. In Photoshop and other softwares it's known as opacity, but here on Canva it's transparency. They are same things. Okay, so you can change text according to your need. Double click onto this and delete it, and now you can type in. Okay, so let me just type, let's just type something random. Okay, so it's boys Scott. Okay, so I just type. Now when I come to this line, this blue ones, so I can drag and drop. Okay, press the button, press the left button and drag wherever you want. You can drag and drop, leave it here according to your design. So I think it's good here. So this looks amazing good, right? So you can take this design onto your t-shirts. Okay, this is very simple. There's nothing complicated into this one. Okay, so I can also double click and select the all text. Okay, so I can also do other things with these. I can make it bold, but not all, some fonts. Okay, I can change fonts as well. So here are the options, which fonts I get. So you can also search fonts here. Okay, and even if you don't search, it's okay. So this one also, this one, many are available. Okay, so you can see and change according to your needs. You can increase their size, okay, this way, decrease their size. Okay, so let me just close this thing, and you can change the text color to this one, this one, this one, anything that you feel comfortable with. Okay, there is no restriction with this. You can change anything that you want. Let's go with this one, or the dark black isn't that good, so let's go with this one. Okay, so okay, so this is done. So let me tell you how to save this. So click onto this download button, which you see, you can click here, and now the file type is the main thing that you get. Okay, so I suggest you going with the PNG or PDF print. These two I recommend you people. So they have suggested us PNG. This is also good. This is a high quality image, so we can go with this right now. We cannot make the background transparent because for that we need to pay them. We need to go premium. We can change size, but for size as well we need to pay them, you can see. Okay, so don't need to go with these things. Just press on to download, and the button has started. So this is the ad, skip this. Okay, so here you can see the download has started and it's finished. I have got amazing design. So let me just show you. Oh, it's opened up and paints again. So okay, so here your design is. You can print this design onto your custom t-shirts if you want. So this was all from this lesson. I hope you have liked this video. If you do, share with your friends and family, and make amazing videos in the future, and share the pictures of your t-shirts in the comment section so that I can see your creativity. Okay, thank you very much for watching.